Wood charcoal biochar made from our horizontal carbonization furnace. Horizontal carbonization furnace with removable trolley and cart. Complete water purification system to recycle all the smoke to use again as heating fuel. Preheating, we can burn any fuel and also diesel, LPG liquid gas, optional. For different types of raw material, we have this basket type for the inner kiln. It's able to accept a bigger and smaller sized, suitable for all kinds of materials. Wholesaling the whole unit of horizontal carbonization furnace with smokeless design and also high temperature resistant painting. We control the synergize and the temperature of the carbonization by these valves. Contact him if you're interested to get solution, quotation, and price. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.